In this video, I will guide you on how to fix YouTube Studio something went wrong problem. If you're facing this kind of error whenever you're trying to upload something on YouTube, then what you want to do first is refresh the dashboard. So go ahead and refresh the page over here. Now try to upload it. Select the video, enter all the details and try to upload it and check if the issue is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you want to delete the browsing data. For that, you want to click on the three dots. Now you want to click on delete browsing data option. Here select all time. Now make sure that you select cached images and files over here. Then click on delete data. After that, you want to upload again and check if that fixes your issue. If your issue is still not fixed, then you simply want to head over to a new tab. Here you want to search YouTube Down Detector. Now you want to check if there is any server outage over here. If you see lots of people reporting outages, then this means it is a YouTube server issue and not an issue with your YouTube account. In this case, all you can do is wait for YouTube to fix the problem from their side. Once the servers are working normally, your video should upload without any issues. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.